Welcome to LifeRoute. Today, we're focusing on getting started with LifeRoute and helping you feel confident navigating everything the platform offers from the very beginning. LifeRoute was built to support real growth in real life, and every part of the platform is designed to feel clear, calm, and easy to use. Nothing here is meant to feel overwhelming. The goal is to help you move forward with purpose, at your own pace, while always knowing where you are and what options are available to you. When you first arrive on LifeRoute, the most important thing to understand is that everything is organized around real-life skill building. You are not expected to know where to start or what to choose immediately. LifeRoute meets you where you are and helps you build step by step. As you explore, you'll notice that the layout is clean and intentional. Each section exists for a reason, and every feature is designed to support focus, growth, and confidence rather than distraction. Start by getting familiar with your main dashboard. This is your central hub and the place you'll return to often. From here, you can see your available courses, track your progress, and quickly jump back into lessons you've already started. The dashboard acts like a personal roadmap. It shows what you've completed, what's currently active, and what opportunities are available next. Nothing is hidden, and nothing requires guessing or searching. Next, take time to explore the course categories. LifeRoute organizes content by life skills and real-world needs, so you can easily find what matters most to you right now. You may see areas focused on decision-making, confidence, communication, wellness, independence, emotional skills, or daily routines. You don't have to follow everything in a strict order unless you want to. LifeRoute gives you flexibility while still providing structure for those who prefer a guided path. As you open a course, you'll notice that lessons are designed to be practical and easy to follow. Each lesson builds understanding through clear explanations, relatable situations, and guidance that can be applied in everyday life. You're encouraged to pause, reflect, and think about how what you're learning fits into your own experiences. Beyond courses, LifeRoute also includes a dedicated Destress games section. These Destress games are designed to help calm the mind, reset focus, and reduce mental overload. They are not about competition or pressure. They are tools for relaxation, grounding, and emotional reset. There are over 80 de-stress games available, giving you a wide range of options depending on how you're feeling. Whether you need to slow down, refocus, or simply take a break, these games are there to support balance and emotional regulation. Another major part of LifeRoute is the music section. This area goes beyond simple listening. LifeRoute includes a music streaming and sharing platform similar to services like Spotify or SoundCloud, allowing you to explore and enjoy music that supports mood, focus, and relaxation. There is also an online music store similar to iTunes, giving you access to curated audio content. In addition, you'll find life skill podcasts, audiobooks, and live stream radio. This section is designed to support learning, motivation, and emotional balance through sound, whether you're actively listening or simply creating a supportive background for your day. LifeRoute also offers an optional upgrade support guide named Route. Route is a personal guide designed to help you throughout your life skill journey. Route can help you put together personalized plans, guide you toward the right sections, and help you stay organized. Route can email you your life skill plan, send helpful links directly to your email, and assist you in navigating the platform more efficiently. Route acts as a supportive companion, helping you stay focused and connected without adding pressure. You'll also notice that LifeRoute avoids unnecessary complexity. Navigation is consistent throughout the platform, so once you understand how one section works, the rest will feel familiar. This design choice is intentional. LifeRoute is about growth and understanding, not struggling with technology or confusing layouts. Another important part of getting started is understanding that LifeRoute is fully self-paced. There are no deadlines pushing you forward and no penalties for moving slowly. You are encouraged to revisit lessons, explore different sections, and move forward when you feel ready. This flexibility allows LifeRoute to fit into real life rather than compete with it. Before moving forward, take a few minutes to explore. Open a course, check out the Destress games, browse the music section, and review your dashboard. Familiarity builds comfort, and comfort builds confidence. The more comfortable you feel navigating LifeRoute, the easier it becomes to focus on what truly matters, which is your personal growth. Thank you for listening to LifeRoute. You've taken an important step by learning how to get started. Continue forward, explore the next courses, and keep building the path that supports your life skill journey through LifeRoute.